today we're going to take a little bit of a closer look at this remote control holder, see what the quality is like, see what the capacity is like. Let's take a look. So this is what it looks like, and this is way better quality than I expected, to be honest. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots in there for your remote, so should be pretty good for most people. You've got that really nice leatherette patch on there to give it a little bit of a extra style. That would be your front there, I would imagine, if you prefer it. I think I prefer that to be my front. And the material is really nice. You've got, it's like a padded feeling, so it does give that extra bit of quality feel. I really like that. Let me put one of my remotes in. Lovely. It's going to be sitting there. Fantastic. So if you are someone who's got far too many remotes, because you've got your TV, your cable system, you've got your music system, you've got all your various gadgets in there. Also, you can pop your phone in it as well. Maybe if you want to time out from using your phone, you certainly could pop it in there as well. But yeah, that is really ultra stylish. I really like that. Yeah, gets a thumbs up from me.